This is from Amazon. It's a renewed product or used, but Amazon likes to use renewed. I like renewed. It's a nice name. It's usually goes for about $40, but I bought the renewed version, and I think it might have been a mistake. Doesn't look too bad. I expected it to be destroyed, as I paid $7 for the item. $40, $7. What a huge difference. You know, it's a big difference in price. I don't even know if it's worth even returning this if it doesn't work. But let's open it up. I'll have all this, the box and everything, at the end. It came just like this. The box is not too badly beaten at all. And nothing else in the box. And it looks in okay shape. This is supposed to simulate, you know, like a regular house phone, speakerphone, or an office phone. More like an office phone. These are the paperwork. And this is the only accessory, and I think it's missing accessories. I believe that it's supposed to be a micro USB cable, but that's not a big deal. I have an extra one anyway. So that's everything that came inside the renewed box. So let's put the paperwork to the side and just take a quick look at the item. It comes with the aux port. I don't know if I'm going to use it. Supposedly you can like connect an MP3 player or your phone if it has an audio out jack into here and play music out of it or talk through it or whatever through the speaker. And this is supposed to be a Bluetooth handset. An obvious volume up, volume down, pause, hang up, and probably other things you could do. This also gives you a dialer, so you could dial like a regular phone. Hang up, call, talk to people, Bluetooth wise. This is the charger cradle for it, and this also acts as a speakerphone, like in an office. Oh, the bottom hasn't been taken out. That's great. That means, I don't know if it's been used. This is the back of it. This is all the information if you need it. On and off button. This is to charge another item. This is the aux connection. This is the power to charge the speaker, or to power the speaker I should say, because this, I believe this does not have a battery. This has the battery. And this is a micro SD card to play music out of. And that's it. There's nothing else. Speaker. I'll see how it sounds. And let me do a just a measuring to give you an idea the physical size of this, because sometimes you can't tell on the video. It looks cool. For $7, you can't go wrong. Look at that, it's got some power. That's pretty cool. Let me just do quick measurements since I measure everything. The phone itself, it's just under 7 inches. It's ready. I don't know what it's hooked up to. I guess that's the indicator that it needs to be paired. Let me see if I guess that's just for the speaker. The speaker itself should be the same circumference all around. And the bottom base itself. Looks nice. For $7, you can't go wrong. Let me try to see if I can pair my phone. So I think this is the item, as I believe that's the model number. Yep. NAT-500. NAT-500. Okay, it's connected. The blue light just went out. And it says connected, NAT-500. Perfect. All right. And it's not even plugged in, so I guess the speakerphone is the only thing. This works separately. This will work as a charging cradle, I believe, and a external speaker with the power with the USB, but this itself gets charged. So I got it. It says connected. And that's, I'm assuming, the battery life of this headset. I'm gonna put it next to oh, that's pretty cool. I don't know what I did, so. So when you double press this, all right, let me hang up. It just hung up. I don't want to show you who I'm calling. It's calling someone. As you can see, the pop-up came up and the person's answering and not answering. Outgoing call. And yes, they're receiving the call right now, which is my wife. She's right behind me. And when I double pressed it, so it's probably calling the last number and then I hang up. Okay, so let me try the call quality. I'll let you know how the call quality is. I charged it fully. I tested it. It works really well. I like it. So I think the aux port, I don't think this works as a speaker. I mean, you know, I should look at the instructions. Let me look at the instructions. Let me read off the description to you in regards to this device.
A wireless handset and speakerphone lets you take and make calls at home from your cell phone without removing it from its charger. The portable base unit charges the handset and can be used as a speakerphone or travel speaker. Stream music wirelessly from your smartphone, tablet, or other Bluetooth-enabled device. Play MP3s from USB memory sticks and microSD memory cards, or connect to other players with a 3.5mm AX audio cable. Power, rechargeable battery, USB charge, AC power adapter. Naxa Electronics designs and distributes personal electronics that entertain and delight consumers at a reasonable price. Naxa delivers products that stand out for retail and wholesale distribution in all market segments and channels. Our product development team brings items to market that consumers demand by embracing the latest in technology and design innovations. We are committed to responding to the needs of our users and our customers. For over 13 years, we have delivered top-notch personal electronics and services. Naxa Electronics is positioned well to continue delivering exciting products and services now and into the future. Product information: product dimensions 10.6x 5.6x 5.8 inches. Item weight 8 ounces. Shipping weight 1.75 pounds. Few shipping rates and policies. Manufacturer Naxa Electronics ASN B01EMHH7 WU. Item model number NAT-500. Warranty and support: manufacturer's warranty can be requested from customer service. Click here to make a request to customer service. Feedback: if you are a seller for this product, would you like to suggest updates through seller support? Would you like to tell us about a lower price?
Okay, after reading the instructions, I found out what it was. So you have to get the speakerphone working through the aux, You plug it in. I have it plugged into my tablet, which is playing one of my videos. And you have to press this button and hold it. Okay, so after reading the instructions and everything, I finally got it working. The speaker.
Hard. I don't know if it's freaking aluminum, not really plastic or metal. It's a lid right there.
Let me find another one.
It's the Salem Show with Dickie D and OMG chat on your PC. It's time for the gizmos because gadgets are his business. They've got a gizmo sickness, geek disease, under pathology. Rows and rows of USBs, glowing LEDs. Get ready for the gizwiz now. Now it is time.
So that was from my favorite podcast, and The Giz Wiz, which is an awesome podcast. If you don't watch it, please subscribe to that. It's an awesome tech show. So it worked. You know, you have to make sure these things are on. That's on. And then you press this. I mean, it took me a long time constantly pressing this. I finally pressed it until this turned orange. Once this went from green to orange, it came over, as you heard. And then you can control the volume on the actual bass by pressing the plus or the negative. And also on your device, you can, you know, lower and raise the volume. That's the loudest it gets. That was the loudest on my tablet, my iPad, and the loudest I can get it on this. So it's not super loud. It's not a super speaker, but it works. Pretty cool. The MP3, according to the instructions, if you put an SD card in there, it'll automatically the speakerphone will switch to music player mode automatically when it detects a memory card. So it automatically do it when you put the micro SD card in there. Just automatically do it. So that's easily done through that. I like it. I already made a test phone call. I called my sister and I left her a message. She hasn't called me back. And it works well. I was able to pick it up, dial the number. I can't get my contact list. I don't know if there's a way of doing that, but I doubt it. But I just dialed the number and I called her with no issues whatsoever. And it works well. I like it. I like it a lot. It's pretty cool. For $7, I can't complain at all. It's going to be a nice addition to Bluetooth connected devices in my home. So I hope the video helps. At the end, I'll have the instruction manual and all the information if you need that to get more information on the device. I've been using it for a few hours and I really, really like it. I think it's great. And if I see it again for $7, I'm buying another one. It's a pretty cool idea. I really like it. All right, I hope the video helps. I hope you like the video. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you. Bye.